Good morning. Welcome to Jofia FS. This is NZD USD and this is live analysis. As you can see, NZD USD have been consolidating for almost 2 weeks now. You see, they have been consolidating for almost 2 weeks now. Can you see? So it doesn't have a specific direction. So this is where this market is currently. It has been in this range. So from where the market is now, we are seeing double bottom at this point here. We are seeing double bottom here. So using price action to analyze this market, the overall trend of this market, we are seeing that is actually bullish. It's actually bullish. So can you see? So now this market, I can use two strategies to analyze this market and to get my directions. So if this market break below, I'm going to use BHOTL to analyze this market. So if this market break below, this is what I'm going to do. I've taught you people here before. So I will mark the distance between the demand and the supplier. Then I'll bring it down here. If this market break below, it will come straight to the half of this distance. But before that, to confirm that the breakout is real, we have to wait until it touch the half of the distance again. So to avoid losing money, we have to wait when this market break down. When it break down, so we'll not be trapped with a fake breakout. You have to come like this and give us double top here before we initiate this market and come down here. Or if you eventually break up, because for me, I'm anticipating in breaking up. I'm anticipating in breaking up because going to the higher time frame is actually bullish, but on this 1 hour we are seeing a consolidation. So I'm anticipating up. If we are anticipating up, then we have to mark the distance between supplier here and demand. Mark the distance, then we'll take our distance straight up here, straight up. We'll mark the half of the distance. This is the half of the distance. We'll mark the half of the distance here. Then we'll have to mark the retracement of the distance again. This is the retracement of the distance. Is this retracement that give us until market touch this retracement, we are not sure. We are not sure of the breakout. We are not sure of the breakout. So if this market eventually goes up, if this market break from here, goes up here, we have to wait until this retracement is touched before we confirm our breakout. Then come down and give us a double bottom here. Then we'll initiate our market straight. Our first take profit will be on the half of the distance. Then our second take profit is going to be the full distance of the market, which is this. This is the full distance. On this time frame, our second take profit will be on the full distance. Then we are done with this consolidations and consolidation. This is how to trade a consolidation market. So until the retracement of the half is tested, our breakout is not approved, because we have so many fake breakouts in the market. When you are trading a consolidation market, this is how you should trade it. Mark the distance between demand and supplier. Then after that, you mark the retracement. If you are anticipating downward, you mark the retracement between the demand and the half of the distance, which is your retracement between the demand and the half of the distance. Can you see? Then this half between the demand and the half of the distance is your guideline, is your approve, is the one that we approve the breakout. Until this market come down and touch this place, your breakout is not approved. This is when this market touch this place, that is when you will be sure that yes, this market have break out of the consolidation then you still have to wait. You're not entering immediately. You still have to wait for it to give you a double top here. This is where you enter your market from. Then you initiate your trade to this very point. This is your first take profit. Your first take profit is the half of the distance between demand and the supplier. Then your second take profit now is your the full distance. Is the full distance of demand and supplier. Then this is your second take profit. Your second take profit is your final take profit. Can you see? Your second take profit here is your final take profit. This is it. This is how it is. This is how to trade consolidation market. So where this market is now, unless you just want to play gambling or you want to take a risk. So as a professional traders, you have to be patient to wait for a breakout in whichever direction. If you are anticipating downward, you wait for the market to break downward, touch the retracement between the demand and the half of the distance, then give you a double top before you enter the market. And if you are anticipating upward, you wait for the market to break the supplier, touch the retracement between the supplier and the half of the distance, come down and give you a double bottom before you initiate your trade. So this is how to trade the consolidation market. This is a live analysis on NZD/USD. This NZD/USD have been on consolidation for almost 2 weeks now. No specific direction. So we'll still wait for whichever direction that it will break on. This is 1 hour. I'm actually using 1 hour to analyze this market. But if you go to like daily is telling us that the market is bullish. But I'm using 1 hour for the sake of this consolidation to explain this consolidation for those that doesn't know how to trade consolidation. So that is that. If you are new here, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Ochofie FS. Like, comment and share to others. See you in my next video.